my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video with this 2017 Toyota 4Runner. We put a 3-inch lift on it, some 18x9 wheels with a 0mm offset, and some 33x1250 R18 tires. There is a little bit of trimming that you have to do, however, no major metal trimming. The first is this front bumper. You have to cut it down just a little bit. You will almost have the body line, the bumper line of a Toyota Tacoma now. And then on your rear inner fenders, you have to cut your plastic just a little bit on this rear fender part. Besides that, that's about it. There is a little bit of inner fender trimming on the front as well, but it's just your soft inner fender, it's plastic, along with your front bumper. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any parts, tires, wheels, go to our website, central-alps.com. We would love to get them shipped out to you. Also, if you want to buy a vehicle that's already built, already lifted, you don't have to worry about bringing it to us, finding a good deal. Go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page. Hopefully you can find the perfect 4Runner for you, call up the dealer, and then go buy it tomorrow or today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.